Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is CTET Child Pedagogy Questions. These questions are 100% repeated in previous exams and have been taken from the chapter Concepts of Child-Centered and Progressive Education. This chapter is most important chapter for the examination point of view because at least 2 or 3 questions in every paper have been asked from this chapter. So, without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is, in a child-centered classroom, children generally learn. Friends, option 1 is individually and in group, second is mainly from the teacher, third is individually and fourth one is in groups. Here option 4 is the right answer, that is in groups. Question number 2 is, the lab school by John Dewey were example of. Friends, here option 4 is the right answer, that is progressive schools. The lab school advocated by John Dewey were examples of progressive schools. You can read the another options too. Question number 3 is, child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinkers? Here option 4 is the right answer, that is John Dewey. Child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinkers? That is John Dewey. Question 4 is, in the context of progressive education, the term equal educational opportunity implies that all students should. 4 options are there. Friends, here option 1 is the right answer, that we provided an education which is most appropriate to them and their future life at work. In the context of progressive education, the term equal education opportunity. In the context of progressive education, the term equal opportunity implies that all students should. Option 1 is the right answer, that is be provided an education which is most appropriate to them and their future life at work. Question 5 is, progressive education is associated with which of the following statements? Progressive education is associated with which of the following statements? Here option 2 is the right answer, that is knowledge is generated through direct experience and collaboration. Knowledge is generated through direct experience and collaboration. Question 6 is, a class 7 student makes errors in mathematics. As a teacher, you would first provide the students correct answers, second is allow the students to use calculator, third is ask the students to use alternative method or redo it to find out errors on his or her own. And fourth one is, show the students where the errors were made and ask the students to redo it. Friends, here option 3 is the right answer, that ask the students to use alternative methods to or redo it to find out errors on his or her own. A class 7 student makes errors in mathematics. As a teacher, you would, हम क्या करेंगे? Ask the students to use alternative methods or redo it to find out errors on his or her own. Question number 7 है, which one of the following statements best describes why children should be encouraged to ask questions in the class? Friends, here option 3 is the right answer, that is questions take learning forward by interactions and lead to conceptual clarity. यहाँ पे आपको क्लैरिटी दिख जाएगा, वहीं पे जो है आपने इसको टिक कर देना है. कौन सा वाला है? यह है which one of the following statements best describes why children should be encouraged to ask questions in the class. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्लैरिटी दिख गया, आपने उस ऑप्शन को जो है टिक कर देना है. So option 3 is the right answer. In a learner-centered classroom, the learners would. Friends, here the right option is 4, that is imply such methods in which the learners are encouraged to take initiative for their own learning. So here, in a learner-centered classroom, the learners would imply such methods. ठीक है, imply such methods वाला ऑप्शन जो है आपने टिक कर देना है. In which the learners are encouraged to take initiative for their own learning. Question number 9 is progressive education. Option 1 is based on the principle of conditioning and reinforcement. And second option is centered around textbooks since they are the only valid source of knowledge. Third is reaffirms the belief that the teacher has to be firm in her approach, and in today's world, children cannot be taught without using punishment. Option 4 is lays strong emphasis on problem solving and critical thinking. Progressive education lays strong emphasis on problem solving and critical thinking. Option 4 is the right answer. Question number 10 is a key feature of a child-centered classroom is that in which a key feature of a child-centered classroom is that in which. Option 2 is the right answer, that is the students with the teacher's guidance are made responsible for constructing their own understanding. तो उसे बोलते हैं कौन सी चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड क्लासरूम वो है, वही होता है जिसमें जो है जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो टीचर्स की गाइडेंस जो है उसके साथ साथ जो है क्या करें, मेड रिस्पॉन्सिबल जो है वो एक जिम्मेदार बनते हैं और कंस्ट्रक्टिंग देयर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और जो है अपनी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है आपस में जो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो है उसको बनाने में जो है वो एक अच्छे साबित होते हैं। ठीक है, उसके बाद में आता है आपका यहाँ पे ऑप्शन 2 इज द राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज लर्नर सेंटर्ड अप्रोच मीन्स दैट टीचर्स ड्रा कंक्लूजन्स फ्रॉम द लर्नर्स, ट्रेडिशनल एक्सप्लोजिटरी मेथड्स। थर्ड इज यूज ऑफ मेथड्स इन विच टीचर इज द मेन एक्टर, एंड फोर्थ वन इज मेथड्स वेयर लर्नर्स ओन इनिशिएटिव एंड एफर्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन लर्निंग। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो है ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज लर्नर सेंटर्ड अप्रोच मीन्स मेथड्स वेयर लर्नर्स ओन इनिशिएटिव एंड एफर्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन लर्निंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज प्रोग्रेसिव एजुकेशन इंटेल्स दैट द क्लासरूम इज, here option 4 is the right answer, that is democratic and there is space given to children for understanding. You can read the another options too. Progressive education entails that the classroom is democratic and there is space given to children for understanding. Question number 13 is child-centered pedagogy means giving primacy to children experiences and their voices. Child-centered pedagogy means giving primacy to children's experience and their voices. Question number 14 is who created the concept of the kindergarten? Most important question. Who created the concept of the kindergarten? Here Froebel. Here Froebel. Who created the concept of the kindergarten? Here Froebel. Question number 15 is who was the earliest theorist who gave the concept of progressive education? Here option 1 is the right answer, that is Friedrich Froebel. Who was the earliest theorist? Who was the earliest theorist who gave the concept of progressive education? किसने दिया था ये? Friedrich. किसने दिया था? Friedrich Froebel ने. So friends, here we have completed today 15 questions. Thanks for watching this video. Please revise these questions 2 or 3 times so that you can choose the right option in your exams. Prepare well, perform well. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all latest videos. Thanks. Bye bye.